The revised Toyota Land Cruiser for 2022 adds a touch of luxury and cutting-edge technology to provide the ideal blend of comfort, security, style, and performance. This armored SUV meets the demands of the roughest conditions and the most difficult terrains thanks to Inca's registered industry-leading armoring technologies. The Toyota Land Cruiser 200 series is replaced by this vehicle in Toyota's portfolio. The armored Toyota Land Cruiser, true to Inca's sophisticated registered S engineering skills, delivers unsurpassed mobility in the field, offering an amazing driving experience with cutting-edge security measures. The Toyota Land Cruiser is armored to the BR6 level, providing 300 extinguisher, heavy-duty wheels, and an exterior public address system are among the other modifications. The armored Land Cruiser 300 series comes with a choice of 3 powertrains under the hood. And 50 Nm 3.7 kilowatts per 700 Nm 3.3-liter twin-turbo horsepower, the 4.0 LV8 petrol engine with 200, and the 3.3 LV6 VXR, GXR, GR Sport for right-hand drive areas, as well as GX, VX, and Sahara ZX for left-hand drive region, announced an armored LC300. The price of the armored Land Cruiser 300 series has yet to be confirmed by Incas, but it is expected to be as high as the protected technology it is equipped with. The armored Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series is currently available for delivery internationally to all major seaports, as well as air freight on special request.